So, don't miss out the tiny bundles of happiness to chase out the big one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anushka Bharti and I'm back to touch your heart with my original words. Happiness. This word can provide a soothing effect to your heart even without a reason if you try dwelling deep inside it. And its definition can be variably stated for each and every different individual. Life is a goddamn unpredictable thing. You never know the kind of situation you can be landing up in the very next moment. Sometimes it could be a situation which would require you to be a very strong person. Sometimes a situation which can break you apart into so many pieces that you would be unable to hold on yourself. And sometimes maybe something which would make you insanely cheerful. It can be anything and everything. The bottom line remains the same that you can never imagine the kind of situation you could be landing up in the very next moment. And still we expect huge success or prominent achievements from our stars for having a reason to be happy. And it is during this whole new process or whole monotonous process of finding the larger happen in our life that we tend to ignore these small little reasons which can actually make us happy in our lives. And at the end, we are the only ones complaining that life don't give us any proper reason to smile or to be happy. But just wait for a second and observe the little petty things around you, around your surroundings. Just turn your head around and just see and observe the things around you. For example, that beautiful flower you had just planted a month ago, see how beautiful it's blooming now. The last bit of chocolate your sibling saved for you after you giving constant threats to him or her. That dress which your father had just gifted you, even after denying for hundreds of times. The lovely abuses your best friend showers on you for no good reason. The first shower of rain on the dry earth in a summer season. And many more. There can be thousands of such reasons and such lists which can be enumerated from your life itself, which can provide a blooming smile on your face if you really want to smile. There can be innumerous ways or innumerous reasons in your life to be actually happy. Some petty and some grand. Both of them significant enough for your life to cherish and value them. And it's the petty things which are often ignored by us for the grand ones. But I don't think that's fair enough, is it? Because even the smallest of the reasons in our life to be happy is beautiful enough in its own way. We just need to pinpoint a perspective different enough to acknowledge the same. Like there are millions of things which happen in my day-to-day lives which brings an ear-to-ear wide smile on my face. It's like this. Starting off with my loved ones. Maybe a long paragraph sent by someone whom I love, whom I cherish. Maybe someone saying, I wish I could have met you earlier. Someone thanking me for any random act of kindness. My father bringing me a candy or a chocolate. My sibling behaving in a bit polite way with me. Yeah, that definitely makes me happy because that's really a rare thing which happens. When I happen to be on the terrace on a beautiful night sky day, and that soothing feeling which I get after stargazing is just indescribable. Whenever some of my friends enjoy a hearty laugh as a result of my lame jokes, whenever I get the window seat in any travel, enjoying my favorite song and the soothing breeze altogether, whenever I try a new recipe and accidentally it turns out to be amazing, whenever my words have a positive impact on anyone in any way, and whenever someone compliments my pearly white smile. Life will definitely be more beautiful if you start cherishing the tiniest of the reasons for positivity from today itself. And sometimes all those small bundles of happiness add on for a grand celebration and a big reason in a way you can't decipher ever. So, don't miss out the tiny bundles of happiness to chase out the big one. Hope you guys have liked it, and if you did, what are you waiting for? Just go and press that like button, drop down your valuable inputs in the comment box below, and please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all.